casserole because going to Miss Jilly's unless Christy and the boys come on down, which I wish to goodness they would.
Jill said I can help her cook.
Oh, that's way too much.
She said that she was going to take me the day before Thanksgiving so we could start cooking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You have to do that, actually.
Huh?
You have to do that, actually.
As long as she's letting me.
We'll see what happens. Gotta remember not to show off. Shut that off.
What? What?
You need to.
Huh?
Because you need to.
I gotta pee though.
What do you mean?
So go pee!
I gotta record this. Why don't we mess up or do something? Why don't we drop that on the floor and it explodes? That would make my day.
Hi, this is Karen. I'm Alex's mother. I have made a broccoli casserole medley, and now I'm going to freeze a gallon of it because we have eaten it till we have shit ourselves to death. Here we go to the deep freeze, boys and girls. Oh yes, right here in the dark, lights on, camera action into the deep freeze, yes, into Mom's Mountain Kitchen. Thank you, and have a good day. Goodbye, little puke. Okay, got a booger in your nose, get it out. I got a booger in your nose, get it out. Got a booger in your nose, leave it there, it grows and grows. Got a booger in your nose, get it out. Lights out. I'm the only one that you know that can wipe their nose and pick up a French fry. Just like that. Okay, goodbye.